Hurry up.
I got it on record. Calvin has found some leaves at the park, and he loves his leaves, and he's not about to let go of his leaves. Isn't that right, Calvin? Do you like your leaves? Can I see your leaves? Where are your leaves? He's so funny. Look at him. But he won't let go of the leaves. You silly. You silly. Oh, whoopsie. Oh, this is going to be really dark.